Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Justice G.Y. Chandrachud takes oath as 50th Chief Justice of India. One-day winter session of JHADC held today. District surveillance units in Meghalaya alerted over outbreak of dengue in neighbouring states. And HSPDP felicitates Hill State Movement volunteers. The news in detail. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud today took oath as the new Chief Justice of India. President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath of office to Justice Chandrachud as the 50th Chief Justice of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan. He succeeded Justice U.U. Lalit, who retired yesterday. In his first statement to the media after the swearing-in ceremony, Justice Chandrachud said that he will work for reforms in registry and judicial processes. During the swearing-in ceremony, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, several union ministers and other dignitaries were present at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The one-day winter session of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, JHADC, was held today. In the first hour, several questions were raised and by MDC A.A. Shulai. While replying to queries, Deputy CEM L. Rimbai informed that the Council has not issued any NOC for setting up of coke factories from 1st April 2022 till 31st October 2022. Other queries were raised on construction work of Yau Musyang Market, dumping of garbage collected from Lad Stadium Yau Musyang, and other issues. In course of reply to this question, CEM Thombor Shiwat informed that the amount received from revenue receipt from all sources up to 30th September 2022 is Rs 59 crore 61 lakh 4,063, while the expenditure incurred by the Council is Rs 59 crore 18 lakh 96,113. Meghalaya Health Department has alerted different district surveillance units after the dengue outbreak in Assam and Manipur. Principal Secretary Health Sampath Kumar said that the district surveillance units are put on alert in view of dengue outbreak. He said that every district has a district surveillance officer and they are closely monitoring the situation. It may be mentioned that the dengue situation in Assam remained grim, with over 427 dengue positive cases recorded in just 7 days. Assam's Karbi Anglong district is the worst affected, as a total of 400 cases have been detected in the district since November 1, according to the National Health Mission Assam.
We have the surveillance systems are there. So this is surveillance system. So these systems would pick up. But when you ask, like, we have those systems, but like whenever we have these outbreaks happen in different states, we also get a feedback from the Government of India, and we alert the entire system. So we have routine systems are there.
The leaders of the Hill State People's Democratic Party today felicitated the volunteer of the Hill State Movement. Speaking with media persons, President of the HSPDP, K.P. Panyang, said Arister Kos Basayamoit was the leader of the volunteers of the Hill State Movement and was also put in jail in Guwahati for almost a month. He was also the founding General Secretary of the party. Meanwhile, Basayamoit urged the leaders of the HSPDP not to divert the ideology of the leaders in the past and rather continue with it in the future as well.
We need to meet him and to express our gratefulness as one of the tallest leaders during those Hill State movement. We are so happy to meet him, that he has given us some important reminder that as the party we need to move forward, and we should not forget all the important issues raised by this party from time to time.
The Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Titos W. Kine, on Tuesday inaugurated a tourist spot at Wa Utim, Maulong Sardarship. Speaking on the occasion, Kind said that the construction of the project was slowed down due to COVID-19, but he is happy to see that the project has been completed while hoping that more tourists will visit the place. He also said that with this project, many youth from the areas will get employment.
Kenang ba ka na central kinyo kan sanction ha kapor ka babiang. Tiyak bida ipat ba kani ka tourist spot hang ni na nakaliang ka jonga kung CM ngan sapha. La ka jong pat ka proposal la kumnum no sikror siteng sa sikror siteng na kabantaban develop ya kani ka tourist spot hang ni wa ultim. Si Kermen ba kani ka sanction ngila banyo ha kapor ka babiang. Kenang ba kanong gajingeraw kanang menginyo ban pentrei hakapor kababiang.
The Narpo Border Area Joint Action Committee has petitioned the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday with a demand to create a new CNRD block at Lomshnong as the people are facing hardships in terms of getting basic facilities. The committee said that people of Narpo area wanted CNRD block at Lomshnong as this will bring administration closer to the people. Briefing media persons, Kinjamon Amse, assistant headman of Umkyang, said that the creation of the CNRD block will benefit the people of many villages in the area.
The politics, or it's not about the election coming. However, it's because of the demand of the public which have been made for the past few years. And as has been said earlier, on the 26th November, not only they will put the foundation stone, they'll directly open an office, including the BDO and all the officials, which will start functioning from the next working day itself. And as requested, Dr. Bashnong, Lupchnong and the JAC are happily willing to give a plot of land for the permanent office for the future use. And
Education Minister Lakman Rimboy on Tuesday inaugurated the 36th Annual College Week of Ribhoy College. The event was also attended by teaching and non-teaching staff of the college as well as college students at large. Shine today and beyond, said Lakman Rimboy to students of Ribhoy College while delivering a speech as the chief guest on the occasion. Stating that the world is changing very fast in all aspects, he advised students who are the future of tomorrow to prepare themselves for the upcoming changes. He also urged students to share their responsibility, work collectively, and respect each other and the society. The college magazine was also released on the occasion.
Changing. So you have to when we talk about ignite, we are sometimes cocoon our mindset. We have something and we know something. We have the capability, we have the capacity, but that cocoon mindset, somehow we cannot break the shell or conquer.
And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 21.8 degrees Celsius, the minimum 11 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 94%, while that in the evening rose to fell to 67%. The forecast, a dry weather is likely in most places. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.